I'm from Akwa Ibom State. The Speaker, I moved that a bill for an act to amend the Standard Organization of Nigeria, Act number 14 to 2015, to carry out inspection of all goods imported into Nigeria and all Nigerian borders, air and seaports, to ensure quality control of all the imported goods and for other related matters during the second time. I so move. Section 5, subsection 1B of the Standard Organization of Nigeria, Act number 14, 2015, to insert a new section that will read thus: that the organization shall undertake inspection of all goods as imported into Nigeria at Nigerian land borders, air, sea, seaport, to ensure quality control of all imported goods. The Speaker distinguished colleagues, the essence of this amendment is to empower the Standard Organization of Nigeria that will start with the responsibility of ensuring standard quality control to have access and assess all goods imported into Nigeria through our land borders, air, and seaport, in order to checkmate standard goods flooding the Nigerian market, thereby causing untold hardship on the citizens and financial drain of the economy. Mr. Speaker, the reason why this bill came in is because, as we speak, the officials of the SON are not allowed to be at the point of entry of all these goods. And day in, day out, they keep on complaining, giving excuses that the improper monitoring is as a result of having fake products in the country. Because we know very well that there is no way these SON officials can move in from one shop or the other to check fake goods without being at the point of entry to know what is going on. Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleagues, it is not disputable that substandard products that find their way to Nigeria through the borders, air and seaport, and these products are unsafe to life and property and distinctive to employment, industrialization, investment, and economic activity in the country. The Speaker, let me also draw attention of this House that October 2011, the Standard Organization of Nigeria was barred from operating in the seaport in Nigeria. This was based on the recommendation of a committee report set up by the Minister of Finance in a bid to ensure a seamless clearance of goods and decongestion of the port. Then the pertinent question we may ask ourselves every day is, after removing them from the port, is there any improvement? The answer is no. Rather, we have so much influx of fake products in Nigeria after sacking the SON official from the port. Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleagues, it is also fled to our own memory that recently some security agents were moved out from Nigerian port to decongest the port. But even at that, it's important and also necessity that we should allow the SON officials to be at the port, because it is only there that they will be able to check all the fake products that enter this country. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, this amendment is timely and it's very important because it sets this new clause so that the people can be allowed to be at the entry point to check the fake products that come into this country. The Speaker, distinguished colleagues, the bill is to seek to enhance the working of the Standard Organization of Nigeria to effectively control influx of substandard products into Nigeria from outside, especially from Asian countries, to save our economy and our industry. The Speaker, let me also draw attention of the House. Some weeks ago, we are aware that our yam tuber exported to the United States of America was returned at the point of entry. Therefore, it is known all over the world that officials that has to do with this kind of duty are to be allowed to be at the point of entry. That is the only way they can check good, imported goods, the standard of imported goods to that country. If it was in our own country, who knows whether that product will not be allowed to enter this country. But in the United States of America, that product was stopped at the point of entry and returned. Therefore, it's important that we should return these people to the point of entry so that we don't have any excuse from them every day, every night. That the reason why they are not doing their job is because they have improper monitoring system. Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleagues, I believe that we should support this bill to have second reading. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
In favor of the motion, say aye. Those against it, say nay. Ayes have it. Clerks invited to read the long title of the bill.
To amend the Standards Organization of Nigeria Act number 14, 2015, to empower the organization to carry out inspection of all goods to be imported into Nigeria at all the Nigerian borders, sea and airports, to ensure quality control of all imported goods and for related matters. Second reading.
Bill referred to Committee on Industry. Order of the day, fifth order of the day.